How's it going, guys? Logic Hero here, and today we're gonna be opening some packs. And yeah, guys, I did this. We got Ronaldo in a pack, so hopefully we can get Messi. So yeah, we get all tons of stuff. We got 1 million coins. We're not gonna open this packs because we want to get the most, like 5 million coins, like that. Yeah. So we want to get to 5 million coins. So yeah, that's gonna be a huge tough. Oh my god! Already. Oh. Nothing right there. Okay, we get company. That's how is not the walk? How is that not a walkout? I don't know why, but it's gonna be nothing. Hope it's not a billboard. Who cares? I thought it was gonna be Casemiro, but it's Fabinho. Fabinho's. Oh, okay. We get a non-rare. What a pack. Okay, it's gonna be Gabby. It's boring Gabby, but who cares? We still have some more packs to get. So 1,013,832 coins right here, and 1,855 cards. That's pretty much all. That's pretty much all the things that I have in here. Yeah. We got Chivas players, so it's a good thing. Can Emre Can. Oh! Oh no! Oh, okay. Not that good. Not the best inform, but we can't get any other informs because these informs suck. We can't get any other informs. Let's see, in this video, I'll go to the duplicates and then I'll do this. That's how I got this much because I just got the other way, but please, come on. Okay, yes. So go, because gold's really sell for a lot. You know, for 250k. No, they don't have to go for 250k. But who cares? Nicely goes for 1 mil. Yeah, come on. You know, 1 million coin pack. Okay, fine. Anything from here? Let me try to get to something else because it's gonna be so bad from these graphics because then it's gonna be a whole lot of work because then there's gonna be like a whole lot. All the things that will be happening, like I don't know what the heck I'm talking about, but who cares? But try to get through. Let me try Raul, not that good. At the end of these pack openings. Yeah, these pack openings are really fun. I might be like 300 videos of this. Pulisic, no. 91 pace, damn. I thought he had more. Who cares? He had 91 pace. Okay, you get Tucson. Okay, that's actually 2 words. Kramer. Okay, Rooney. It's Rashford, damn it. Rooney's actually a cam. Okay, but can we get Ibrahimovic? Keane. Okay, we get 1,880 pack. Well, those things only have like a one. Yeah, can we just get more than that, please? Okay, we get Schweinsteiger. What a good pack. Okay, could be a good pack, but no, we don't have anything in here. The rest is just piece of crap. Who cares? We're just gonna get this thing right there. Please, just be something. We're not gonna. Please be Ronaldo. No, please be somebody else that I could get. If it's not, if we actually get Ronaldo or Messi, Neymar. Oh, I haven't gotten Neymar. I only got Ronaldo as the best player in this game. I wish they could release Team of the Season so we can open these packs, but we're not gonna get anything because they're not gonna be in this Team of the Season. So yeah, can't open these because we're gonna 50k packs. So, yep, I wish there was gonna be 50k packs, but there is 50k packs, but there's only 1 plus. But yeah, if we open 100k packs, it's just gonna be worse because we're just gonna get crappy informs. Yeah. It's gonna be Guts. It only has 68 pace. How did he even? Nope, not even a billboard. Okay, it's gonna be Carrasco. Okay, 85 pace. 85. No, I don't think it was 85 pace. I wasn't looking for the rating. Danilo as well. What a pack. Not the good pack, but not okay. Sterling. Okay, 93 pace. Come on. This close to getting a. And there could be a new card in this too. Oop, not even a new card. I don't know how to pronounce his name, but okay. We got 190. Packs, not 190. Jeez, I need those silver plates so we can get more than that. We're barely in level 1. We're in level 1. How am I not reaching up to the most extraordinary goal? Okay, we got Pulisic again. We get Pulisic again. I think I didn't get him. This is the good duplicate now. Yeah, Gomez. Oh, what the heck, man? You weren't even high as well as the other ones. Who cares? You get somebody that looks like Lukaku, but I don't even care about him. Come on, please. Okay, it's gonna be Gomez. Or that's not even gonna be pronouncing this name. Who cares? Correa. Okay, we get Howard as well, but 90 pace. Somebody was like, who was it? You got someone? Hilton. Wait, is he wearing a Barcelona shirt? He should have transferred there. Oh, Barry. What the heck? Shut up, Charger. The wrong kind of Lukaku. Well, that's Lukaku's brother. Yeah, that looks like Lukaku's brother. Could be Lukaku's brother. Do we get an 84 in form? Oh, it's Kimmich. Okay, we get Polito. That's a good thing. How much profit are we talking about? How much profit? What's profit? How many profit are we talking about? How many profit? Okay, okay, not this much. Okay, we get this much. This much is it, but I don't really care. Let's just open more packs. Let's keep opening these packs until it's like 14. So yeah, let's keep opening these packs. Mobile, not that good. You know, FIFA 18 is just going up my brain right now. I'm just going, oh man, I gotta upload, man. I gotta upload. That's what always in my mind. It's always, because you always need to upload every time. No, I don't. I don't need to upload every time. Who cares? I need that. Not even a billboard. If you guys don't know what I'm talking about, billboard is when a billboard goes, and then that means it's probably like huge walkout. Like, walkout. Yeah, so that's what I'm talking about. Okay, who get? Okay, that's Sergio Rico. Obviously, it's gonna be Sergio Rico. Only Spanish goalkeeper in La Liga. Oh, wait, there's more Spanish goalkeeper. I don't know what the heck am I thinking. I'm thinking of Fontas. But not even a billboard. Oh, Pedro. Okay, Pedro. Wait, I think we already got. No. It's in the other version of this. Okay. Oh, okay, it's gonna be. Oh, I thought it was golden, but it's supposed to be a billboard. Okay, nothing right there. How did I know it's a walkout? You know why I know it's a walkout? Because it's gonna shine up the back of it, and you know if it's a walkout, an inform, an icon, which I only got one icon in this. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys in a little bit. Okay, we get Rakitic. How is that not a billboard? I don't know why. Okay, that's another one. It's gonna be Casemiro. Okay, he got one overall. We got one overall more. Better. Just come on, please. I'm just gonna get through all this nightmare. See what kind of nightmare we're fucking having. So how many paces does this guy? How many paces does Sosa even have? I didn't even see it. I can't pronounce his name. Sorry. Lafont. That's the other guy's name. Okay. Oh, damn it. Lewandowski. If that was Lewandowski, I would have freaked. And for Lewandowski. Oh no, it's not a billboard. Mata. If we're getting an icon, you guys have to smash 100,000 likes on this video, and then I'll throw up in the million. What that? No. Smash that like button. 5 more packs left. I'm gonna do 5 more packs left, and I'm gonna then we're gonna discard all the players the duplicates that we got, and then show you. Please, come on, 4 more packs left. He's gonna be Rafinha, 81. Well, I was gonna say 91, but who cares? 3 more packs left. No, not even gonna be a walkout. Please, be something. Come on, last pack. It's gonna be the last pack of the day. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys later, but not yet. See you guys later. Hold on, guys. I don't want to see you guys later yet. I'm gonna go save this pack. Oh, I don't really care. It's just gonna be right there. The club duplicates. Okay, we get a bunch, but now let's see. Rakitic. Did we already? Wait. I think Rakitic is a new player. Yeah. Okay, we can quick sell this for 86 million coins. Yep, 86 million coins. 663 duplicates for 248 coins. 1,000. Okay, let's go. We did quick sell them. Let me show you my. Here it is. We got Hernandez. Probably I think it's the worst one, but hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like and subscribe, and see you guys